Good morning, friends. So today we're gonna start putting the trampoline back together for the kiddos. So I gotta get going on that. It's just warm enough for this to happen. So here we go. Alright, so if you remember last time that I took the trampoline down, the way I did it will make it extremely easy for you to put it back up. So it's as simple as unfolding it, hanging two sides, and then you just got to reconnect all your bungees. But yeah, that makes it super easy. I'll have this done in no time, and I'm sure the kids will start jumping on it today. So I just got to come out to the pole barn and get it. And that's how easy it is to put your trampoline back together when you pre-plan what you're doing. Thanks for watching. May God bless you and your family, and we'll see you next time. Take care.